Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. Ido from Fixing WP is here, and in today's video I will show you how to hide or show an Elementor section or an element on buttons click. Now this tutorial I will show you how to do it with Elementor, but technically you don't need to use Elementor. You can use your page builder of choice. I'm using page builder, I'm using Elementor because that's my favorite one, but you can use Divi, you can use WP Bakery, you can even use the default Gutenberg WordPress builder. So it doesn't really need to be this specific Elementor. You can use any page builder you want. Whatever page builder you choose, it's fine. You just need to know where to paste the CSS code and also the jQuery. Let's jump right into it. So here we have a simple structure I built with Elementor. We have a button that we would like to click in order to show this balloon image. Right now we can see them both elements, but we would like to hide the balloon image and only display it on click. So let's go back to our page builder and we'll target the button right now. As you can see, it links to nowhere. We actually don't need to link it because we're staying on the same page. However, we do need to target it with our jQuery function. So we need to give it an ID. So under the advanced tab, we will give him an ID, something like show image, also show section, however you want to call it. It just need to make sense to you. Okay, but remember the exact name you will call it because we will need to use it in our function. Then we can go to our image element, and here under advanced we're also going to provide it with either ID or classes. I'm going to enter two classes. One of them is show on click, or again however you want to call it, and another one is dash hidden. We will use CSS to hide the is hidden elements, and we'll use the other class to manipulate the is hidden class. You can see later what we're going to do with it. So first of all, let's copy the is hidden class. We'll go to this section and into the custom CSS tab, and here we'll add this custom CSS selector is hidden display none. You have all the codes in the description box down below. You can just copy it from there. Okay, now once we paste the code, we cannot longer see the balloon image. When we refresh the page, we can see that the balloon image disappeared. Clicking on the button won't do anything because we didn't connect it to any jQuery on click event. And this is what we are going to do next. We'll go and paste this function. So let's go back to the back end of our website and into Elementor custom code. And here we're gonna give it a name that makes sense to you, that you can refer back to it if needed, show image on click or whatever, and we'll paste this function here. Now I comment out these two lines over here. They're doing different things. We will explore them both. If you wanna use them both, that's great. If not, you can use only one and delete the other one. So let's see what both of them does together. We'll refresh our page. We'll click our button and we can see the button disappeared and the image was revealed, which is great. If that's what you were looking for, you are done. It looks amazing. Now, if you want to manipulate the content, just as you can see in our pricing page, we use a toggle button, but the idea is very similar. What you need to do is just either comment out the first line or just delete it altogether. Then save the changes, refresh the page, and now the button will keep being displayed on the screen and you can click the button in order to show or hide the section. Alright guys, so that was the tutorial for today. Of course, this is a short and simple example of what you can do with this custom jQuery. You can expand it as I show you to use a toggle button to display different content. Of course, that's doable. If you want us to do it for you, design or develop a specific jQuery code or any function, please definitely reach out to us to our website fixingwp.com. Again, thank you very much for watching this video, and we will see you in our next video.